Hi everyone, today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best tablets with USB ports on the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a best tablets with USB ports. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. We are surrounded by many electronics currently, but they do not incorporate the same components. But what if tablets with USB ports are available in the market? Usually tablets only come with a charging port and no USB port. Tablets that don't have USB ports do not allow you to connect some wired USB tablet accessories. Do not worry, because in this ultimate guide we bring you 5 amazing tablets with USB ports so that you can play games, surf online, and enjoy other applications and services. The USB port not only allows you to plug in wireless Wi-Fi but also a hard drive, pen drive, game controller, mouse, and also keyboard. Without any other wait, let's start this guide. Number 5. Microsoft TFC00001 tablet with USB ports. The Surface Go 2 has been designed to blend into the modern landscape by shedding its bezels, allowing a larger screen to fit within the same chassis. Apple did the same with the iPad 7th Gen. Its slim design, improved specs, and impressive webcam make the Surface Go 2 review one of the best tablets out there today. In addition to the reflective Microsoft logo on the back, the Surface Go 2 looks very similar to its bigger brother, the Surface Pro. Surface type covers come in various colors like ice blue, poppy red, platinum, and black. I only wish the chassis of the Surface Go could also be painted in eye-catching colors. In addition to the USB-C port, headphone jack, and Surface connector, the Surface Go 2 has the power and volume buttons, as well as a microSD reader on the right side. Unfortunately, the Surface Pro 7 does not have a USB-A port. Microsoft has finally delivered its original Surface promise with the Surface Go 2. It's an excellent laptop for heavy-duty tasks, combined with its bigger screen, smaller bezels, and longer battery life, all powered by an optionally powerful Core M3 CPU. Users who compare it with the iPad Air and the Pro May 7th take a second look. Click here to read the full review on Microsoft Surface Go. Number 4. Samsung T500 Insaxer tablet with USB ports. A powerful and affordable tablet, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 has excellent performance for the price. Aside from being more convenient, this device is also more potent than more straightforward fare. As an entry-level tablet, the Galaxy Tab A7 ranks high. It is available in gray, silver, and gold colors, as well as 2 storage options. Price-wise, the 32GB model looks much better, although many might consider that to be a limited amount of storage. A few of the main highlights of this attractive tablet include its 10.4-inch display, 3GB of RAM, a large battery, quad speakers, expandable storage. In terms of value for money, it is excellent. I like the display very much. A 10.4-inch display with a resolution of 2096 by 1200 pixels is the best I've seen in the entry-level tablet segment. It's a great piece of hardware from Samsung. With its metal body and features, the Galaxy Tab A7 is sturdy and comfortable to use. Along with its massive display, the tablet also boasts 4 speakers, USB Type-C for charging, and a slot for microSD cards up to 1 TB. Samsung has a folio case that completes the experience, as well as some first-party accessories. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 662 processor powers the tablet along with 3GB of RAM. This class of processors has above-average processing speeds. A combination like this is powerful enough to run most tasks on the tablet. Number 3. Google Pixel C1A tablet with USB ports. one of the best USB tablets on our list with Chrome OS. With the Google Pixel Slate 12.3 inches powerful Chrome OS device and optional accessories, the Pixel Slate can do work and play beautifully. Having both a tablet and laptop in one device will come at a hefty price. Pixel Slate has a minimal port selection. If you hold it in portrait orientation on the top and bottom of the device, you will find two USB Type-C connectors. In addition to charging the Pixel Slate, USB Type-C ports can also transfer data and output to a 4K display. There are 5 different versions of the Pixel Slate, each with varying RAM, storage, and Intel processor. In my testing, I've been using a model powered by an Intel Core i5 Y-series processor, 8GB of RAM, and a 128GB SSD. The second highest model in this line. It does not offer expandable storage regardless of configuration. A great product from Google is no surprise with the Pixel Slate. Google Chrome OS is a very flexible operating system, and it has excellent hardware. My daily computer has been an enjoyable experience, but I have difficulty recommending it. Pixel Slate's pricing is almost confusing, and it is expensive. Number 2. Microsoft SMV00001 tablet with USB ports. With a stunning display and one of the best keyboards I've seen, the Surface Book 3 is still a top-notch piece of gear. However, most premium portables in 2021 will outperform them in terms of specs and price. There's no need to be surprised by how beautiful the Surface Book 3 is. The chrome Microsoft logo on the back of the device and the rigid feel of the keyboard make it look like a quality device. Surface Book 3's keyboard deck has two USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-A ports, a USB 3.1 Gen 2 USB-C port, Surface Connect port that can be used to charge and connect an expensive dock. If you remove it from the keyboard dock, you will discover another Surface Connect port and a 3.5mm jack on the Surface Book 3. However, the Pixel Sense display is perhaps what makes it so unique. This 15-inch model has a display resolution of 3240 by 2160 pixels. You'll find this aspect ratio very useful when working at a desktop computer, and it still looks good when you're watching a 16:9 video with your friends. However, black bars will be annoying while you're watching. Unfortunately, there are no H-series processors available for the Surface Book 3. You'll typically find an Intel Core i7-1065G7 in laptops like the Dell XPS 13 since it's the standard processor. However, the discrete GPU is directly responsible for a large portion of that price rise. NVIDIA's GeForce GTX 1660 Ti is found in the model I reviewed. The GPU is capable of gaming, but I wouldn't recommend it for gaming at native resolution. Number 1. Samsung T917's Kaxer tablet with USB ports. Samsung's flagship products are well known for their premium build and design. This is also true of the Tab S7 series. It is immediately apparent to you when you take the tablet out of the package. Feels solid, as if it's made of metal. You get a 12.4-inch display with a 16:10 aspect ratio and similarly sized bezels on all 4 sides in the front. You get a selfie camera at the top of the tab when you hold it in the landscape. You find the Type-C USB port to the tablet's right, and Samsung's keyboard connects via a magnetic connector at the bottom of the tablet. I find the display to be quite lovely and enjoyable for the most part, and the 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth animations and navigation across the UI. You can choose between a standard refresh rate of 60 Hz and an adaptive refresh rate of 120 Hz. The tablet's performance is one of its key highlights. In the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 865 Plus SoC based on 7nm fabrication is installed. CPU cores are clocked at 3.1 GHz on this octa-core chipset. Adreno 650 controls graphic processing. In addition to this, the phone has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. Micro SD cards are also supported, allowing you to add up to 1 TB of additional memory. It is once again the best Android tablet on the market. The device's excellent display, beautiful design, and reliable performance justify its price. Tablets depend heavily on software, as Android isn't very capable of running on these devices.